Oh, there he is again. Oh, there's another one. Oh, he's bigger. Oh, he's bigger. He's bigger. He's bigger. Oh, look at that. Look at that fish. Hey guys, what's going on? Georgia Mountain Bass here. As promised, we're going to be fishing the MonsterBass Strike King box. If you didn't see the opening, I'll put the link down below so you can watch that video in the description. And so we're already at the pond. Right now it is 28 degrees, as you can see there. It's pretty cold. It's been snowing a little bit here in North Georgia, but I actually just seen a few go through by the camera. But anyways, let's jump right in here and let's get fishing. So guys, if you remember in that MonsterBass Box, there was that seasonal piece in there that tells you how to fish each season. So we're going to use the winter, obviously, and we are going to go in here using those tips and catch some bass. Dang, dude, striking hooks are good, I tell you. Sexy dog. Just by the name of this just makes me, it's gonna do something sexy, I feel. You know what I mean? Let's try that on, guys. So guys, we got our rods set up. We're gonna go over here, try to find these hopefully monster bass in here. Oh, yes, yeah, I got him on the square bill crankbait, baby. Woo! All right, man, he took it in the lip end and the, whoo! All right, guys, so we got one right here, a little square bill crankbait from Strike King out of the MonsterBass Box. Let's get him unhooked. There he is right there. Little smallmouth, little baby bass. Woo. Let's release him. Come on in. Alright. Alright guys. So we just got our first fish out here on the square bill crankbait. If I can get it unhooked from me. But anyways, there it is. If you remember from the MonsterBass Box, it's working. So we're gonna get back out here, see if we can catch one more fish at least on this, and then move to another bait. So stay tuned in. This isn't the end. So guys, how I'm fishing the square bill here, I'm keeping a steady retrieve. I'll give it a little jerk here and there to make it look like a little minnow. But for the conditions that it is here in North Georgia, we've got ice on top of the pond here. So catching the fish out here, this is actually a good day considering the conditions. And it's sun's shining, so it's getting a little warmer here. So oh, there he is again. Oh, there's another one, boys. Woo! Oh, he's bigger. Oh, he's bigger. Oh, he's bigger. He's bigger. He's bigger. Oh, look at that. Look at that fish. Look at that fish. Look at that fish right there, boys. Oh, yeah. Woo! Nope. Oh, didn't get away from me, boy. Woo! Guys, that square bill crankbait is working it this morning. Woo! All right. Square bill crankbait, boys. So, whew. Hey, actually guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram or Facebook, this is crazy. I caught this fish, and how I know is the tail's missing right there. You can go on my Instagram. So I've caught this fish before. That is pretty cool. I enjoyed that. That is awesome. And when I weighed him last time, he looks about the same size. Maybe he's a little skinnier now, but maybe he's like a 4-pounder or so. But anyways, yeah. All right, let's get him unhooked and see what we can do again. It's kind of hard to do everything in gloves, so. All right, guys, so he's weighing 425 to 426. It's varying. Anyways, let's get a release on this big boy. I can't feel my fingers or nothing. Woo. All right. What you getting, buddy? All right, guys, so we're gonna take a break. We're gonna eat some grub and then warm up and refuel, and we're gonna get back out there. Hey guys, so we're back. We're at a new spot, and if you've seen any of my other videos, you know where we're at. Dude, my bait catcher's freezing. Oh, there we go, boys. On the square bill. All right, so hang on. All right, guys, so you gotta watch out for these little ones. They are kind of dangerous when you got a treble hook and get it in your finger. All right, let's get this out of them. All right. Woo. Square bill, little crankbait at its best. All right, we're gonna throw them back in and catch us another one. And the dog's gonna try to get the fish. To tell you how cold it is out here, when I'm casting my line is actually freezing with water. So how this dog's doing that, I don't know. All right, guys, so we're having a great time out here. Fish are biting. It's been a good day fishing so far with the conditions that we're having. It's so cold out here, but keep catching them and hopefully reel in a pretty good sized fish today, other than the one before, but you know, you just get it. Oh crap, I had a bite. Freaking leaf. Oh, there's one more, boys. Yeah. Oh, it hooked me in my shirt here. All right. Man, he got all 3 hooks in him. All right, let's see here. Oh. All right, guys, so as y'all can see, the square bill crankbait's working. And it's catching big fish, it's catching dinks, but it's all fun. But the conditions right now are pretty extreme, but we're still catching fish, so it's a great day. And there you have them. We're going to release them and trip. There he goes. That's we're going to change up baits. I'm going to go to the jerk bait. We're going to put this on the rest for now. So let's jump into that jerk bait, see if we can catch a jerk bait fish on it. All right, guys, so we're gonna roll out with the clown color jerk bait. So let's get this thing out here. Let's get some fishing done. See if we can catch a jerk bait fish. Oh yeah, on the jerk bait, on the jerk bait. Ha! Oh, he's hooked weird. Okay. All right. I was wondering why he felt so heavy. But all right, guys, as you can see. Oh Lord, got him right in the side. Sorry, buddy. All right, guys, so you can see that is absolutely crazy there. Anyway, so caught him on the jerk bait, so that's awesome. Let's get him back in the water and see if we can do it one more time. There you go, buddy. Thank you, Terry. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Today's fishing went great. We followed the steps on the winter section of the box, and it was great. It was a good day fishing. We caught numerous fish. Catching the big bass again was a big thrill for today. So as y'all can tell today, the weather is pretty extreme. You know, we was getting water through the eyes of our poles, and we had ice forming on the fishing poles. But I just think that gives testament of how well the MonsterBass Strike King box did. If you didn't watch the unboxing video, make sure to go back and check it out. But if you did, you know that we had a special announcement at the end of this video. So guys, we're going to be giving away this MonsterBass Strike King box. And it's going to go to one of y'all. If we can get up to 300 subscribers, we're going to be giving away this box. If you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed the content, don't forget to smash that like button. That lets me know that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, because that's how you're going to enter to win the MonsterBass box. Don't forget to turn on the bell, and that'll give you notifications of my next video. And don't forget to comment. If you have something you want to give me a tip on, or if you want to ask me something, put it down there below in the comments and I'll get right back to you. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Both of them are the same as Georgia Mountain Bass, but I'll put a link down below so you guys can see more content. And if you also want your very own MonsterBass box, I'll put a link down below in the description. Don't forget to click it because it helps the channel out. And I'll put a code down there to help you save $15 on your first box. So guys, until next time, here's to keeping your lines tight.